Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba. We get a lot of questions here at Ringba, and one of them is, what is a paper call number? Simply put, a paper call number is a toll-free or local phone number that is used to execute the paper call business model. Paper call is advertising, billing, and performance marketing that allows businesses to buy inbound phone calls from prospective clients. Similar to other lead generation methods, paper call is a simple way for advertisers or affiliates to buy and connect to qualified calls from real customers. Essentially, paper call means that a business is paying to receive an inbound phone call from a prospective customer. And as a paper caller, you are directly connecting businesses with the customers they need, actual humans who are seeking an immediate solution to a problem they're facing at that very moment. Now, using a paper call number, a business can not only receive calls, but also track them to see which marketing campaigns are working best. When a potential customer calls a paper call number, the number is routed to an advertiser who is the one who talks to the caller. The cost of the call is paid for by the phone number's owner, not the caller and not the advertiser. However, the advertiser will be paying the number's owner for the call, hence the name paper call. To get a paper call number, you need to use call tracking software like Ringba. With paper call tracking software like Ringba, you have the ability to allocate paper call numbers for all your routing, tracking, reporting, and more. Ringba provides on-demand access to local and toll-free tracking numbers all around the world, along with all the tools you need to run a successful paper call business. Connect with a Ringba representative at sales@ringba.com today to get started. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.